letter W. Welcome to Windmill Shore. Look! The windmill is spinning. Wow! Look at the water wave wiggle. It wiggles just like me. The wind is so cool and soft.
W is for wind, wave, and windmill.
Look, a giant letter W. Great job! Thanks for watching, friends. Choose your next fun adventure. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next time.